What is going on, you guys? My name is Marcus, and today we will be doing unboxing and install of LRB speed door panels for 92 to 96 Honda Prelude. Let's get this open. I actually ordered this and it came in within, I want to say, a week. They were super quick, kept me up to date on it, all that. It was sweet, quick, and I'm excited. Let's see. Dang. These are really goodly packaged. A lot of tape, a lot of cover. I like that. Ooh. I got the purple pull door straps. Honestly, I dig it. Let's see, let's get one of these bad boys open. Ooh. Super clean cut. Really nice. Edges are a little sharp, but I can always go back and deburr them. That don't bother me none. I got without the speakers because I don't have none in my car. Overall, super impressed. I believe the instructions are in here. Let's see. Yeah, instructions in here look pretty straightforward. Not too complicated. So I just got to my storage unit where the car is at. I got the box in here already. I'm gonna go ahead and do passenger side just because there ain't a lot of room and there's no point in trying to record the struggle of that. Depending how hard it is and if there's any little tricks I find, I might record the driver's side, but more than likely it'll just be kind of like a before and after type deal. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I'm doing passenger side right now, and first thing, they swapped these around, which is I guess, and I went to set it in and start bolting it up and everything. So my mistake, but kind of annoying, this has a clip that goes through here. I should have put it on first, but they're so close and I figured they would utilize the hole that has nothing in it, but you gotta push that out and then put your rib nut in there. So now I gotta go find another one or order another one so I can do the driver's side. But so far I'm digging it. I think it'll look good. Still gotta take driver's side off. We'll get to that at some point, but I'm gonna finish this up. Let's go. Alright, it's a new day. I got the passenger put in. I'm about to do the driver, but because of what needs to be done, I'm not necessarily gonna record it. If I find some weird things that I find complicated, I might take a video or a short little clip of it to help make it easier. But for the most part, I'm gonna get it put in and show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Let's get it. Crazy enough, it's been 2 years since I got these panels, and finally got the driver's side done. I ordered the panel that has the side mirror controls in it, and my car came with it on the center, so I had to trace back the wires, cut it back, extend them, and bring them all into the door, and everything works. I got both sides in. They look super cool. The only complaint I have is you can see if you touch them with dirty hands, it stays, but that's expected. I did try wiping it down and it did not help, so I might end up pulling them back out and wrapping them. I'm not sure what color, maybe purple, probably purple, maybe black, but I'll say I like it way better than OEM in my opinion. You save a bunch of weight, so yeah, good product, good company. I would say watch out for this one, this rib nut, because I did put it in the wrong hole. I think there was one that was like right here. They're super close, so triple check where you're putting it, line it up, and just watch it, or order extra like I did. But cool. If you have any questions, just ask.